Dear students, welcome to the Economics Study Circle. In this video, we are going to present Business Studies subject for 2nd PUC. 7th chapter, Directing Multiple Choice Questions. As you know that we are already uploaded 1 to 6 chapters MCQs in our channel. Here I am going to present 7th chapter MCQs. To get more marks, MCQ questions are very important. Let us start 1 marks MCQs. In this video, hard questions also included and marked with red color star. So, please give your 100% concentration. First question. Which one of the following is not an element of direction? Option A, motivation. Option B, communication. Option C, delegation. Option D, supervision. Right answer is option C, delegation. Second question, the motivation theory which classifies needs in hierarchical order is developed by option A, Fried Luthans. Option B, Scott. Option C, Abraham Maslow. Option D, Peter F. Drucker. Right answer is option C, Abraham Maslow. Third question, which of the following is a financial incentive? Option A, promotion. Option B, stock incentive. Option C, job security. Option D, employee participation. Right answer is option B, stock incentive. Fourth question, which of the following is not an element of communication process? Option A, decoding. Option B, communication. Option C, channel. Option D, receiver. Right answer is option B, communication. Fifth question, grapevine is option A, formal communication. Option B, barrier to communication. Option C, lateral communication. Option D, informal communication. Right answer is option D, informal communication. Sixth question, status comes under the following type of barriers. Option A, semantic barriers. Option B, organizational barrier. Option C, non-semantic barriers. Option D, psychological barrier. Right answer is option B, organizational barrier. Question number 7. The software company promoted by Narayan Murthy is option A, Wipro. Option B, Infosys. Option C, Satyam. Option D, HCL. Right answer is option B, Infosys. Eighth question, the highest level need in the need hierarchy of Abraham Maslow. Option A, safety need. Option B, belongingness need. Option C, self-actualization need. Option D, prestige need. Right answer is option B, belongingness need. Ninth question, the process of converting the message into communication symbols is known as option A, media. Option B, encoding. Option C, feedback. Option D, decoding. Right answer is option B, encoding. Next question, 10th question. As I said earlier, 10th question is a hard question, so that we marked as a red color star. Hard questions means high order thinking questions. These questions are newly added to the question bank. Such type of questions exist in all the chapters. We already uploaded 1 to 6 chapters. Please have a look on those videos also. Yes, let us see the 10th question. The communication network in which all subordinates under a supervisor communicate through supervisor only is option A, single chain. Option B, inverted V. Option C, wheel. Option D, free flow. Right answer is option C, wheel. Next, 11th question. This is also a hard question. Please give your concentration. On the successful completion of 2 years in a company, Kailash received a letter confirming his job as a permanent employee. Identify the need of Kailash being fulfilled as per Maslow's need hierarchy theory. Option A, esteem needs. Option B, self actualization needs. Option C, basic psychological needs. Option D, security needs. Right answer is option D, security needs. 12th question. This is also hot question. We already marked in red color stars. Yes, students, look at the 12th question. If there is no reward or appreciation for a good suggestions, the subordinates may not be willing to offer useful suggestions. Identify the type of barrier to communication in the above statement. Option A, unwillingness to communicate. Option B, lack of proper incentives. Option C, distrust. Option D, lack of confidence of superior on subordinates. Right answer is option B, lack of proper incentive. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I will come back with new chapter. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you.